Very bad. Awful. The weather was very bad yesterday, so we stayed home. The weather was awful yesterday, so we stayed home. Very smart. Intelligent. She is very smart and always finds solutions quickly. She is intelligent and always finds solutions quickly. Very sad. Sorrowful. The ending of the movie was very sad and made everyone cry. The ending of the movie was sorrowful and made everyone cry. Very upset. Distraught. He was very upset after losing his favorite watch. He was distraught after losing his favorite watch. Very cold. Freezing. It's very cold outside, don't forget your coat. It's freezing outside, don't forget your coat. Very strong. Forceful. That athlete is very strong and can lift heavy weights easily. That athlete is forceful and can lift heavy weights easily. Very bright. Luminous. The sunlight was very bright, and I had to wear sunglasses. The sunlight was luminous, and I had to wear sunglasses. Very busy. Swamped. She has been very busy preparing for his exams. She has been swamped preparing for his exams. Very careful. Cautious. Be very careful when crossing the street. Be cautious when crossing the street. Very clear. Obvious. The message was very clear, having no confusion. The message was obvious, having no confusion. Very colorful. Vibrant. The artist painted a very colorful mural on the wall. The artist painted a vibrant mural on the wall. Very confused. Perplexed. I felt very confused after reading the unclear instructions. I felt perplexed after reading the unclear instructions. Very mean. Cruel. That teacher is very mean to his students for no reason. That teacher is cruel to his students for no reason. Very messy. Slovenly. His room is very messy. His room is slovenly. Very nice. Kind. The host was very nice and made everyone feel welcome. The host was kind and made everyone feel welcome. Very often. Frequently. They visit their grandparents very often on weekends. They visit their grandparents frequently on weekends. Very old. Ancient. That building is very old. That building is ancient. Very open. Transparent. The windows were very open, letting in the fresh air. The windows were transparent, letting in the fresh air. Very good. Excellent. She is very good at playing the piano. She is excellent at playing the piano. Very stupid. Idiotic. It was a very stupid mistake to cutting the tree in this way. It was an idiotic mistake to cutting the tree in this way. Very happy. Ecstatic. He was very happy when he got the job offer. He was ecstatic when he got the job offer. Very exciting. Exhilarating. The roller coaster ride was very exciting for everyone. The roller coaster ride was exhilarating for everyone. Very warm. Hot. The blanket was very warm, perfect for the cold night. The blanket was hot, perfect for the cold night. Very weak. Frail. After fasting all day, I felt very weak and tired. After fasting all day, I felt frail and tired. Very hungry. Starving. She was very hungry and ate an entire pizza by herself. She was starving and ate an entire pizza by herself. Very hurt. Battered. His hand was very hurt after the accident. His hand was battered after the accident. Very large. Huge. That elephant is very large. That elephant is huge. Very lazy. Indolent. He's very lazy and avoids doing any work. He's indolent and avoids doing any work. Very long. Extensive. The bridge is very long and stretches over the river. The bridge is extensive and stretches over the river. Very loose. Slack. These pants are very loose and don't fit properly. These pants are slack and don't fit properly. Very skinny. Skeletal. This boy looks very skinny and weak. This boy looks skeletal and weak. Very smooth. Sleek. The fabric feels very smooth and comfortable to touch. The fabric feels sleek and comfortable to touch. Very soft. Downy. This pillow is very soft, perfect for sleeping. This pillow is downy, perfect for sleeping. Very sorry. Apologetic. I'm very sorry for being late to the meeting. I feel apologetic for being late to the meeting. Very special. Exceptional. That gift is very special and meaningful to me. That gift is exceptional and meaningful to me. Very sure. Certain. He is very sure about his decision to move abroad. He is certain about his decision to move abroad. Very angry. Furious. He was very angry after hearing the news. He was furious after hearing the news. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. She is very beautiful and lovely. She is gorgeous and lovely. Very big. Massive. That house is very big with 5 bedrooms. That house is massive with 5 bedrooms. Very boring. Dull. The lecture was very boring, and many people fell asleep. The lecture was dull, and many people fell asleep. Very noisy. Deafening. The children were very noisy during the playtime. The children were deafening during the playtime. Very poor. Destitute. He is very poor and unable to afford anything. He is destitute and unable to afford anything. Very creative. Innovative. His artwork is very creative and original. His artwork is innovative and original. Very crowded. Bustling. The train station was very crowded during rush hour. The train station was bustling during rush hour. Very dear. Cherished. You are very dear to my heart. You are cherished to my heart. Very deep. Profound. The ocean is very deep near the island. The ocean is profound near the island. Very empty. Desolate. The glass was very empty, so I poured more juice. The glass sat desolate on the table. Very excited. Thrilled. The kids are very excited about the trip tomorrow. The kids are thrilled about the trip tomorrow. Very fancy. Lavish. She wore a very fancy dress to the party. She wore a lavish dress to the party. Very fat. Obese. That man is very fat from overeating. That man is obese from overeating.